inequality, and there are social solutions to the problems, and the solution is socialism at the end of the day.
It's about a platform that, in the end, wouldn't work for the country, because it wouldn't take the country forward. It would take it backwards.
We've put forward a message that austerity is essentially a political agenda, and it's a political agenda that has created gross and appalling levels of inequality. There's a thirst out there for a different way of looking at the economy, a different way of looking at politics.